All right, y'all, it is time to answer your questions that you have sent in. So let's see what we got today. All right, first question. How do you actively invite God into your business, and what does that look like as a leader? I love this question. In fact, I love it so much that I have talked about this in previous episodes of the Business Boutique podcast. However, I will tell you a couple of simple things in this quick answer. First, you need to figure out what it looks like to integrate God into your business. And I mean this in a very practical, tactical way. You can have a Christian-owned business, meaning you have a business that's in the secular market, but you are a Christian owner of it, and that obviously influences your values, your customer service, your operations, but the business itself and the business brand is not explicitly a Christian business. That's one option. Another option is you can have a Christian business, meaning you are the Christian bookstore, as an example, or Christian massage therapy, or Christian donuts, whatever. You can label it however you want to, and you can brand it saying we are an explicitly Christian business. There's a difference, obviously, in how you brand it and position yourself in the marketplace, but it matters because even though your values will probably still be in line with you as a Christian, how you position it to other people, and if you want to be really practical here, the amount of people and which people you reach will be influenced by that decision. So as an example, Dave Ramsey is a financial expert that happens to be a Christian. He's not a Christian financial expert where we position the Ramsey Solutions brand to only reach Christians and we only go into Christian markets and we only speak in churches, we're only on Christian radio stations. We would reach a lot less people if we did. So our heart is to help as many people as possible. So this is a company that is in the secular market. We reach people in every walk of life, in every age and stage, in every different industry, every type of radio station. But it's run and operated by a Christian CEO, and that influences the values that we operate by. You could also have someone else that is a Christian Bible teacher, a Christian author. They only do Christian books and have a Christian company. So you just need to think through in a practical way how you want to position this in your business. But when it comes to actively inviting God into your business from a day-to-day operation standpoint, I would say that when you begin to go to God about any area of your life, God, I want to pray for my children. God, I want to pray for our finances. God, I want to pray for this big decision that we have coming up with whether or not we sell our house or what schools we put our kids in. Guess what? Include your business in that. Include your business in your prayers to God. Include your business in your conversations with God. Include your business in the things you seek God about. Y'all, I can't tell you how much I really, truly do this. And this is not just me sounding like a good Christian here. I will tell you, my best ideas are not my ideas at all. My best ideas are God's ideas. God gives me some of the funniest lines to say on stage that I know are way funnier than I could ever come up with. God gives me solutions when I feel completely trapped, painted in a corner, no way out. God will show me a way out. Let me just share a quick story with you. Some of you guys may not know this story. So I'll share this with you as an example of how I seek God in what I do here at Ramsey Solutions. So back in the day, in 2014, Dave Ramsey, myself, all of our leaders, we had a vision for helping women with businesses. We knew we wanted to help them. This was a great opportunity in the marketplace. It was my skill set and experience. And so we had this dream of a brand helping women with side businesses or small businesses, home-based businesses, small businesses, that type of thing. Well, as we're talking about it in the research stage, seeing, okay, how many people fall in this market and what labels do they identify with, we noticed that they were all over the map. Mompreneur, side business, home-based business, hobby business, small business, all of them were all over the map. And so we had kind of been using the term mompreneur or boutique business. What do you think when you hear boutique business? You think, oh, it's a brand for boutiques, right? Like candles and clothes and home decor. And I was like, we're helping a lot more people than just boutiques. So instead of naming it boutique business, which would isolate a lot of people and probably be confusing, we need something else. But I didn't have anything else. All I knew was that our survey showed that hobby business, home-based business, small business, and side business all ranked equally. So women were all over the map in terms of how they saw their business, how they saw themselves. They were all over the map. And we're trying to describe them, come up with a brand that described them. We couldn't figure it out. And Dave is on this kick about boutique business, boutique business. I was like, we need a solution. And y'all, I prayed about it. I was like, God, we need a name. It can't be boutique business, but I can't go to Dave and tell him it can't be boutique business unless I have a better idea. What are we going to name this brand? The audience is all over the map. We can't describe them. And I felt the words enter my mind. Flip it. It's not boutique business. It's the business boutique. You're not going to describe who they are. You're going to describe who you are. You're the place that people come for all things business. And that is the story of how Business Boutique, the event, the podcast, the book, the academy, the courses, the entire brand was named back in 2015. It wasn't Dave Ramsey's idea, and it wasn't my idea. That was God's idea. That's what happens when you invite God into your business in a practical way. You want to invite him in your business? Just seek him with your business, for your business, on behalf of your business, and watch what he will do. He is more creative than you are. He has better ideas than you do, and he can make a way when it seems there is no way. So that is a very simple but practical, but also effective way to invite God into your business.